Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing the hard drive on an ASUS laptop. Take a look at the back of the model. Here you can identify as Q528E. That is the model of this ASUS ZenBook. I'll be using a Torque T5 to unscrew the back of the computer here. So there are 4 screws at the bottom. And 4 screws on the top. Once you have removed all the 8 screws and the 2 more screws here on the side, 1 on each side of it, left and right. Once you have removed them, the next thing is to remove the back cover. So let's go ahead and get this thing here, a metal prying tool to go in between the corner. See if I can remove them here. And I'm sure there's a hidden screw maybe right in the middle. I feel like the back cover is hard to get removed. And yep, I just exposed that one of the screws here right in the middle, which needs to be removed as well. And the entire back cover would just come right off. Okay, so the next step is to remove the M.2 SSD drive. I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew, slide out to the left at 45-degree angle and get this hard drive replaced. So the computer, when it turns on, it says no boot device was found. More likely is the M.2 has gone bad. So I do have a replacement of the M.2. You just have to slide it back in, install, and have the screws back onto the motherboard. Now, just a quick note, this is a brand new M.2 drive. It doesn't have Windows on it. You definitely need to download a USB Windows installer and fresh install your Windows 11 in this computer. Alright, so hopefully this video is helpful. If you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.